Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a lightning outline effect. Select your video and rotobrush it. Make sure to make a good selection of a car. Check if you haven't missed anything and then press the freeze button. Duplicate the video and remove rotobrush on the second video. Nice, we can start applying our effects. Start with turbulent displace. Press on displacement and select turbulent smoother. Set the amount 100 and size 15. Hold Alt and press on evolution. Write down time 250. Add another effect. Find edges and select invert. Now add tritone effect. Leave highlights and shadows as default. Change only mid-tone to any color you want. In my case, I will choose blue. Add glow effect. Set threshold to 10 and radius around 120. Add one more effect, linear wipe, to animate the effect. At the start of the video, set the transition completion to 100% and set a keyframe. Then go a few frames forward and set 0% to transition completion. Set the feather around 400 or 500. The last step, change the mode to screen. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like the video.